Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this content, we'll discuss difference between local and global temporary table. What is local and global table? What are the difference between local and a global temporary table? Local temporary table are visible when there is a connection and are deleted when the connection is closed. Global temporary table are visible to all users and are deleted when the connection that created it is closed. Let's connect with SQL Server Management Studio to show you difference between local and a global temporary table using TSQL. Local temporary table you can create with hash. I am creating table A, which is local temporary table. Let's create. You can see I have created the table A local temporary table. Now let's insert data into the local temporary table A. You can see I have inserted the data into local temporary table. You have to note local temporary table you can create with hash. Now let's select the data from the local temporary table. You can see you are able to select the data from local temporary table with this current connection. Let's connect with new session and select the data from local temporary table. You can see you received error saying that invalid object name. Let's connect with different user and try to fetch the data from local temporary table. You can see with new user connection also you are not able to select data from local temporary table. Let's create a global temporary table. You can create a global temporary table with double hash. You can see here I am creating table BB. Let's create it. I have created the global temporary table BB. Let's insert data into global temporary table. You can see I have inserted the data into the global temporary table. Now fetch the record from global temporary table within the session. Within the session, you can see here I am able to fetch the data. Now try with new connection. Let's fetch the data from global temporary table. You can see I am able to fetch the data from new connection. Now let's connect with new user. I am going to connect with new user and let's try and select the data. you can see I am able to fetch the data from the table global temporary table. So global temporary table are visible to all user, but local temporary table are visible when there is a connection. So this is the difference between the local temporary table and global temporary table. Thanks for watching SQL Guide. Please share, subscribe and like my channel.